Okay, so here we have the GMG 1030 push around, and this is a new style release for the show. The 1030 push around, as you can see, is nice and easy to move around. It only weighs 360 kilos. And we've got Scott doing our demonstration today. So a couple of nice things about it is, number one, there's a couple of laser sensors on it. So that enables you to position the machine straight away and get a reading from the roof. The lock's now on, we've got the saloon gates going on. So Scott's going to get in there, and the one thing you can do with this machine, as you can see, which makes it really good for the use with ceilings to enable you to get up through those tricky areas, is you can actually reduce the platform height, which will prevent people from standing on the platform, which of course is inherently unsafe. So this is the GMG 1030.